Hello everyone, let's continue the series. Exercise 1E, question number 1. Find out all the perfect squares between 50 and 150. Now you're given a range and you're required to find out the perfect squares between that given range. Ideally, you should start from the highest square that you know of prior to the series. For example, prior to 50, the highest square that we know of is 49, and that's a square of 7. But at this stage, you're not expected to know that, so you should start by making squares of all the numbers, starting from 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 3 into 3 is equal to 9, 4 into 4 is equal to 16, 5 into 5 is equal to 25, 6 into 6 is equal to 36, 7 into 7 is equal to 49, 8 into 8 is equal to 64. Now 64, this is the first number between that given series. Now 9 into 9 is equal to 81, 10 into 10 is equal to 100, 11 into 11 is equal to 121, for 12 it's 144, for 13 it's 169. Now 169 is again out of the series. So the perfect squares between 50 and 150 are 64, 81, 100, 121, and 144. Write that down. Question number 2. Copy the following and circle those that are the perfect squares. 8, 16, 18, 25. It's a long series. Again, you should start by making factors of that given number. Factors of 8 would be 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 square into 2. Now, you can't make a pair of that third 2, so it's not a perfect square. What about 16? You make factors of 16 and make pairs of them. That is 2 square into 2 square is equal to 4 square, meaning 16 is a perfect square. Now you need to find out if all of these numbers are perfect squares or not. 18, 25, 33, 49, 50, 72, and so on and so forth. You need to do the exercise yourself, but I'll highlight the numbers that are perfect squares. So that is 16, 25, 49, 81, 100, 144, 169, 225, and 400. Question number 3. Replace each box with the correct answer. Given 8 into 8 is equal to 64, then what is the square root of 64? It's a pretty simple question. You need to just reverse the equation. So 64, you need to find out the square root of 64, that is 8. Similarly for 12, the answer is 12. For 17, the answer is 17 again. And how about this last question? 3 into 3, 3 into 4 into 5 into 3 into 4 into 5 is equal to 3600. Then the square root of 3600 is equal to what? It's a long statement, it's not a complicated one. So you start by putting that under the square root. 3 into 4 into 5 into 3 into 4 into 5. It's already in the pair form. You need to make a pair and put square as a common. 3 into 4 into 5 square. You multiply 3 into 4 into 5 and the answer is 60. So what we're looking for is 60 square and square root. Square root will be cancelled by the square. The answer is 60. Pretty simple. Question number 4. Find out all the positive square roots of each of the following numbers. 36. Again, make factors and make pairs and you'll find out the answer of that question. Similarly for 81, you make factors and then you pair them up. 3 square into 3 square, that is 9 square, and the answer is 9. Question number 5. Use a calculator to factorize each of the following into prime numbers and hence find the positive square root of each of the following numbers. Good thing is you're allowed to use a calculator here. 156, you divide that by 2, the answer is 578. Divide that by 2 again, the answer is 289. Now we did that part in question number 3, part C, that 17 into 17 is equal to 289. Divide that by 17, the answer is 17. Divide that by 17 again, and the answer is 1. So you put one of these factors, you write one of these factors on the left hand side, make pairs of them, the answer is 34. Similarly, you need to find out the positive square roots for 1296, 1764, 9801, 1102, 3, 4, 5, 9, 6.